This isn't just any air conditioner, it's a professional-grade cooling solution built for server rooms, where failure is not an option. At number 1 AC Guys, we use advanced dual-unit systems designed for 24/7 operation in high-demand environments like data centers and IT hubs. The system is equipped with an intelligent rotational control module, which automatically alternates the load between units, reducing wear, extending system life, and ensuring seamless operation. If one unit fails, the second instantly takes over, and a fault alert is sent without delay. During extreme heat, both units run simultaneously to maintain a stable temperature. And in cold weather, when typical AC systems freeze and shut down, this system keeps working reliably, cooling your space all year round. Proven technology, built-in backup, non-stop performance. We specialize in complex, high-stakes projects, delivering climate control solutions that professionals trust. Number 1 AC Guys, your expert in reliable, high-performance HVAC systems.